Want to remove the background of any photo in just a few seconds, and that too automatically? Let me show you the easiest way.
قاعد ويوه شيل
First, go to the website. You'll see a simple upload box right on the homepage. Now click on Upload Image, and choose the photo from your computer or phone. And just wait a moment. Boom! The background is gone instantly with zero effort. No Photoshop, no editing skills needed. Now simply click Download to save your new background-free image. You can use it anywhere: profile pictures, thumbnails, posters, or social media designs. So that's it. That's how easily you can remove background from any photo using Remove.bg. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tips.